Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to program your Toyota Tacoma garage door opener. This straightforward and easy method will have you set up in just a few minutes. First, make sure your Tacoma's engine is running or in accessory mode. You will also need your original garage door opener remote. Lastly, we will clear any old programming from your home link system to ensure a fresh start for new codes. To begin, locate the 3 home link buttons, usually found on your Tacoma's overhead console. Now, press and hold the 2 outer buttons, typically buttons 1 and 3, at the same time. Keep holding them for about 10 to 20 seconds until the home link indicator light starts flashing very quickly. This action clears all existing programming from the system. Next, take your garage door remote and hold it 1 to 3 inches away from the home link buttons. Simultaneously press and hold the button on your remote and the specific home link button you wish to program. Continue holding both buttons until the home link indicator light changes from a slow flash to a rapid flash. Once it flashes quickly, you can release both buttons. For most modern garage door openers, especially those made after 1996, you'll need one more step. Go to your garage door opener motor unit and press its Learn or Smart button. You have about 30 seconds to return to your Tacoma. Once inside, press the home link button you just programmed for 2 seconds, release, and repeat this 2 or 3 times until your garage door responds. Finally, test your new home link button.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.